Hello, my name is Grazelle. I'm a physical therapist and a certified lifestyle medicine professional. I'm also Filipino and I eat plants. I'm going to show you how I make a whole food plant-based version of the Filipino mung bean soup. In my hometown, we simply call this mongo. First off, come with me to the store and I'll show you what mung beans look like when you go buy them. Mung beans are really easy to find in Asian grocery stores or farmers markets like this. They're green, small, and cheap. They can be sold in bulk or packaged in plastic. To prepare the mung beans, put 1 cup of mung beans in a bowl and then add 1 to 2 cups of water and just make sure that all of the mung beans are submerged in water. And so we're just going to leave it like this overnight and we start cooking tomorrow. Good morning. Now we have all of our ingredients ready. This is our 6 cups of plain water. These are our mung beans from last night that we soaked in water. And you can see they're a little bit bigger. They've absorbed some of the water. And then we have chopped kale. Alternatively, you can use spinach if you want. 2 tomatoes diced. 1 tablespoon ginger chopped. 4 cloves of garlic minced. 1 large onion chopped. This is low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and black pepper. On medium heat, put the 2 tablespoons of water. And I will add our onions. This is something that I learned from Chef AJ. Instead of using oil, we use water to cook our aromatics, which are onion, garlic, and ginger. In my past life, I used to hate to eat vegetables or beans. So mung bean soup is one of those dishes that I started with tolerate when I decided to go plant-based. There is a weird myth in the Philippines that mung beans cause or aggravate arthritis, but that is simply not true because mung beans, like any other legume, is very anti-inflammatory. And if anything, beans help reduce arthritic pain. Now it's time to add our minced garlic. Then we add our ginger. Now, this one's getting a little too dry, so we're going to add just a little bit of water. And then we'll just saute and we'll stir frequently until about 5 minutes to cook our aromatics. Now it's time to add in our tomatoes. And we'll just cook them until they're soft and breaking down. And then we'll pour in our mung beans into the mixture. And by the way, I removed the excess water from the mung beans. Now we're just going to mix them all together. Next, we'll add in our vegetable broths. And then we'll mix everything in and put it into a simmer. Now we'll add in our low sodium soy sauce and sprinkle in our black pepper. You can add in some salt if you want, but for this one, I'm not going to use salt. Next, we're going to add our 6 cups of water, and then we'll mix everything together and bring everything to a boil. So we're just going to cover this up until the beans are tender for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes is up, and our mung beans are now soft and tender. This time we'll add our kale, and we'll just cook it until it's wilted for about 1 to 2 minutes covered. And that's pretty much it. This is our mung bean soup. It's cheap and easy. Now, in the Philippines, it's not a meal without rice. And I don't use white rice anymore. So I'm going to pair it with brown and purple rice. Thanks for watching.